Hey guys, John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. I hope everybody's doing well. So a few months ago I introduced you guys to my Bushcraft belt system. Well, since that video I have recently made some changes to the belt system and I'm super excited to show you that new system. So I hope you guys check out, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is my Bushcraft belt setup that I use when I go on my adventures by myself here. Let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 so you can see the belt itself. And as you can see, with the belt sitting on my body right now, it is very, very comfortable. I haven't made that many changes, but some of the changes that I have made to the belt have been phenomenal. So one of the changes that I made is I changed out the knife that I was originally carrying with this belt. The knife that I now carry here is this guy right here. This is by BPS Knives, and this is a full tang knife, and I have to say this knife is phenomenal. It cuts very, very well. It strikes the striker very smoothly, and it's easy to use, and the handle is very, very comfortable. So when I'm ready, I'll give you guys a full-on review. But that's one of the changes that I made. And then the other change that I've also added to as well is I've added a custom leather sheath for my folding saw here, and this is another new item I picked up recently on Etsy a while back, and this is a very nice locking saw. It's held up very well. I'm able to slice through wood very smoothly, very easily. It cuts very well, and it's also got a nice 90-degree spine. So if I need to, I can fold the saw in half. I can use it to strike a ferro rod, but very easy to deploy, very easy to retract, and then of course goes right back on the sheath. Let's go ahead and take the belt off and show you what changes have been made to the system. Record button wouldn't start playing. Alright, so this is the most recent upgrades that I made to this particular belt system. So one of the things that, when you guys first saw the original video of the Bushcraft belt system, one of the things that I had on this particular system is that I had a pair of gloves hanging from the belt itself. Well, I decided to go ahead and take the gloves off. I actually managed to find me a nice pair of gloves in which I can fit into one of these pouches right here. So I believe, if I remember correctly, it has been a while since I've used this system, so kind of bear with me. I am trying to get on more adventures by myself. So let me see, but it's hard. It's a little bit difficult, especially when you have a wife and a daughter. But I love going camping with them, though. I absolutely love going camping with my family. Okay, I must have taken this. Okay, I must have taken the system out, but that's okay though. That's fine. All right, no big deal. So yeah, one of the things that I don't have on here that I thought I did have is the gloves, but unfortunately I took the gloves out of this particular system. Unless there's one more pouch I need to check, and that does have a butane stove and an extra solar charger, which is fine. This one has a power pump, flashlight, and of course my little flashlight here. Oh shit. That was unexpected. And in case you guys were wondering what that was, it's a micro air pump that I use for my air mats. That thing, the micro air pump, has been pretty phenomenal. But I'm still testing it, and I want to make sure I test it in full first before I give my overall review of it. So I guess I took the gloves out, but that's okay though. I have a really tough pair of gloves in this kit, in my haversack actually that I have. You guys have seen that haversack system, so that haversack system is still very much alive with this particular kit. So what this does have in question is that I am currently using a MOLLE enabled belt system that is currently connected with the leather workman's belt that I purchased when I first set up the system. I decided that since a lot of these items were kind of floating all over my backside when I would hike or when I walk, it kind of got annoying. So I decided to go ahead and purchase this is a paintball belt system. And what I went ahead and did is I took the belt that came with the paintball system out and I inserted a heavy-duty belt, my heavy-duty Bushcraft belt, onto this MOLLE system. And so far, this thing has been phenomenal. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's a very nice ride. I do have a bit of a hard time accessing my cell phone from times, but you know, that's okay. No big deal. I'm not going to complain about that. I mean, there's no point. But what I can do, though, if I want to, is I could always take my cell phone off my pants belt, which I do. And then when I take this system with me, I just simply attach it to the belt, like right here where my handsaw is, and then I can throw the belt on. And then when I'm done, I just take the whole system off along with my cell phone. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll carry my cell phone in my actual pocket of my pants or my shorts. I usually don't wear shorts, and right now I'm kind of getting eaten alive right now by mosquitoes. Anyway, that's okay. But all in all, I absolutely love this belt system, and this thing has really come in handy for me. It's been working out very, very well. So if you guys have any questions about where I got this particular belt system, leave me a comment down below. I'm also going to send a link to the original video that talks about the original Bushcraft belt setup, where I gave you a full breakdown of everything that was in this pouches. A couple of things that we did change out. Obviously, we changed out the knife, we added a saw, and then we also got rid of the hand gloves that were originally on this belt system. So if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And if you like the video, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up that you like the video. Also subscribe to the channel if you are not currently subscribed, as always, guys. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. I almost forgot about that. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Now get outside and go have an adventure. See you next time.